DJI Mini 2 Southeast. This lightweight drone champions impressive specs and flight performance in an ultra-compact body at a very appealing budget-friendly price. The Mini 2 Southeast features the same classic foldable design from its predecessor, the original Mini Southeast, along with that sleek white color scheme. This gives it a nice, clean, simple aesthetic that looks great in photos and video. But don't let its tiny size fool you. It's packed with the same new upgrades as DJI's Mini 2, namely extended transmission range, better resistance to interference and wind, plus 30 minutes of maximum flight time on a full charge. You can easily capture 4K/30fps footage or 12MP photos across a few kilometers without breaking up the transmission signal. The 3-axis gimbal-stabilized camera produces sharp, clear results with accurate color reproduction even in lower light situations. Footage is recorded to the internal storage or your smartphone via the DJI Fly app. Pre-programmed quick shots like Drone and Helix make epic video capture easy. They're designed nicely to showcase the environment while keeping the subject properly framed. Advanced pilots can try out manual modes as well for long exposures and light trail experiments. The Mini 2 Southeast connects to DJI's RCEN1 remote controller, which is highly intuitive with manual flight and camera controls, all in one compact gamepad design. It can even fold down just like the drone itself for ultimate portability during travel. At 249 grams, the Mini 2 Southeast also escapes the need to register the drone in many countries too. Overall, if you're new to drones or want an affordable companion drone to a higher-end model, it's easy to see why the DJI Mini 2 Southeast is popular across so many experience levels.